You've got a business concept that is unique, out of the box, and full of promise. There's just one problem. You don't have a name that matches. Finding the right business name is a fun and exciting part of the startup process. But when the names you love are already in use or just don't fit the business, naming becomes more of a chore. Don't sweat it. A business name generator might be the answer that saves you a lot of time and headaches. There's no crystal ball that can reveal the perfect business name, but there is artificial intelligence. With an AI-powered tool like Incfile's free business name generator, you can find that perfect name or get some inspiration to spark your creativity. Here's how. First, identify what makes your business unique. It might be the location, the product, or how you deliver it. Write down a few keywords that offer a snapshot of your business. Next, visit Incfile's business name generator and enter your keywords. Let's say you're planning to launch a food truck that sells fresh, raw, or vegan foods. There are a lot of vegan food trucks out there, but your raw food menu is what sets you apart. So you enter raw food truck. Incfile's artificial intelligence takes it from there, delivering dozens of creative and interesting names tailored to your business idea. Using the same example, let's say that your favorite suggestion was Fresh Wagon. From the results page, simply click on your top choice to check its availability against our nationwide database. Then enter your business type, state of formation, and your contact information, and we'll check to see if the name is available in your state. If it is, you can register your business under that name or file a DBA, doing business as, to start using it immediately. Just remember your business name should be unique, memorable, easy to spell, and not in use by another business. Ready to get started? Check out our free business name generator. And if you don't find what you're looking for, check for available alternatives with our business name search tool. Because if you've ever been wondering what's in a name, when it comes to your business, the answer is a lot.